Yo, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll show you how you can install extensions for your Safari browser and manage them. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we have opened the Safari browser. That's where we are installing all the extensions. Click on Safari button from the top and then go to Safari extensions. This will take you to the App Store for Safari extension, and from here you can see all the top free apps at the moment and also the top paid apps and all the utility, and it's been categorized. So if there is a specific app that you want to search, you can search here. So for today's demonstration purpose, I'll install any app that is available here. So I'll go for this one, Save for Pinterest. I'll click on Get and then click on Install again. This might most probably ask you to enter the password for your account, or it might also authorize you using the Touch ID. So it depends. I'll click on Install and quickly enter the password for my account. There you go. Click on Sign In, and the extension is now being installed. Let's just wait. Okay, the installation is done. Click on Open, and the most important thing here is to give the permission to Safari or any extension so that it can work properly on your browser. So it says quit and open Safari. Fine. So every time you install, you will see this window. Always select the app and click on allow, always allow on every website. So this will give you a pop-up or a warning. Click on always allow, and that's it. Close this window, close the App Store, and go back to your browser, and you will see that this extension is now being installed and you can start using it. And there's an option here to manage. Just click on the application, double click on the application, and you will see manage extension. So from here you can manage, you can change the settings for this extension. So if you want to uninstall, just select, just like how you install, click on uninstall. So there's this is little tricky. You have to uninstall this from the applications of your MacBook. So click on Show in Finder, and here it is. Double click. Okay, just select Move to Bin, and I'll enter the password, and the extension, sorry guys, it's uninstalled. So this is how you can install, manage, and uninstall extension in your Safari browser. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.